Sailing smoothly. Understanding, made in the shade. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we make English language learning fun and accessible for everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might have come across in movies, songs, or casual conversations, made in the shade. This expression has a cool vibe to it, doesn't it? Well, stick around as we explore its meaning, origin, and how you can use it in your everyday English conversations. Let's get started. Made in the shade is an idiomatic expression that implies having a very easy life, being in an excellent or very favorable situation, or having success assured. When someone says they've got it made in the shade, they're essentially saying that they have a situation so good that they can relax and not worry about anything. It's like sitting comfortably in the shade on a sunny day, without a care in the world. The phrase, made in the shade, has its roots in American slang from the mid-20th century. It reflects a time when leisure and the good life were highly valued. And being able to relax in the shade, away from the hot sun, was seen as a symbol of having made it or achieved success. Over the years, it has been used in various contexts, from music to literature, further cementing its place in the English language as an expression of ease and success. Incorporating "made in the shade" into your vocabulary can add a touch of flair and informality. It's perfect for casual conversations, especially when you want to express that something is going to be easy or that someone has an enviable position. Here are a few examples. Now that I've finished all my exams, I've got it made in the shade for the rest of the summer. With her new promotion, she's definitely made in the shade. Remember, it's a very casual and somewhat retro expression, so it's best used in informal settings. Let's put your knowledge to the test. Try forming sentences using "made in the shade." You can write about a personal achievement that made you feel relaxed and successful, or invent a scenario where someone finds themselves in an ideal situation. Share your sentences with friends, or even better, in the comments below. And that's a wrap on "Made in the Shade." We hope this video has shed some light on this cool expression, helping you add more variety to your English vocabulary. Remember, learning a language is all about exploration and practice, so don't shy away from trying out new phrases and expressions. Thanks for watching, and we hope you're now feeling a bit more made in the shade with your English skills. See you in the next video.